The next step is looking at goals and setting real, meaningful social media objectives. And those need to be aligned to your overall business and marketing objectives. You know, we talked earlier about the going solo doesn't work. It needs to be an integrated approach. You know, and of course there needs to be an end goal for your social media activities. And it helps setting these sort of goals and objectives, helps your team focus and enables them to work all towards the same objective, and they're all on the same hymn sheet. And I suppose objective setting 101 is to use the SMART principle. So the SMART principle, I'm sure everyone's familiar with. It's another acronym, and it stands for S for specific, M for measurable, A for attainable, R for relevant, and T for time-phased. So an example of a SMART social media objective is we will utilize Twitter for customer service responses in order to lower our average response rate to under 2 hours by December 2020. So you can see that it's specific to their business because there's a customer service issue. It's measurable in they want to lower their average response rate to 2 hours. It's attainable, so they obviously think they can achieve it. It's relevant to their business in terms of customer service, and they're on Twitter and so on. And it's time-phased, so they want to achieve this by December 2020. So that is a meaningful social media objective. Broadly, we have worked with lots of businesses with their goals for 2020, and here are some broad social media objectives. They're not specific ones, but they're broadly what people want to achieve. And so increase brand awareness, generate leads and sales from social media, grow your brand's followers in social media, increase engagement on social media, or increase traffic to their website on social media. And what we're going to talk about a little bit later on is how you can actually measure these metrics or these social media goals through metrics, and the types of metrics that you can associate with these goals. So we'll speak a little bit about that later on. So that's objective setting, and objective setting is fairly straightforward.